Everyone is aware that most nations have a favorite or flag dish. They are a must-have experience for tourists and are beloved by locals who consider them to be a vital component of their identity. So, today in this video, we'll discuss several national foods from throughout the world. Let's get the video going. Number 1. Hamburgers, US. The appeal of this traditional dish is undeniable, even though the hamburger's origins are in question. The variety of toppings and sides varies from place to region, but Lewis's Lunch in New Haven, Connecticut, which has been selling hamburgers since 1900 and is reputed to be the oldest hamburger restaurant in the country, has an authentic version. Number 2. Ackee and saltfish, Jamaica. The unfortunate roots of ackee as slave food have not stopped Jamaicans from reclaiming it as a component of their national dish. When boiled, ackee, a nutrient-rich fruit with a buttery nutty flavor, mimics scrambled eggs. In Jamaica, saltfish, salt-cured cod, onions, and tomatoes are sautéed with the boiling ackee. On occasion, the dish is served with fried plantains and bami, which are deep-fried cassava cakes. Number 3. Cuckoo and flying fish, Barbados. Flying fish is either steamed with lime juice, spices, and veggies or fried and served with a spicy sauce. Cuckoo is a polenta-like cornmeal and okra porridge that goes great with flying fish. The Barbadian national meal is said to have originated in the Flying Fish restaurant, which has a view of St. Lawrence Bay. Number 4. Bulgogi, Korea. Prime pieces of beef are thinly sliced and prepared as beef bulgogi, fire meat, by marinating them in a mixture of soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic, onions, ginger, sugar, and wine. It is frequently consumed with kimchi and wrapped in lettuce or spinach leaves, fermented vegetable pickle. Many Korean restaurants have little grills built into the tables so customers can grill their own food. Number 5. Kibbeh, Lebanon/Syria. A good meal of Levantine cuisine frequently consists of only the delectable mezes, appetizers. Mezes' main dish is kibbeh, a flexible concoction of bulgur, ground lamb, and seasonings. The best way to eat it is raw, though it is frequently fried in torpedo or patty shapes, roasted, boiled, or stuffed. The northern Syria-Aleppo region is responsible for kibbeh's biggest innovations, adding flavors like cherry or pomegranate juice. Number 6. Goulash, Hungary. In the late 1800s, when Hungarians were looking for markers of national identity to set themselves apart from their contemporaries in the Austro-Hungarian Empire, goulash emerged as a national cuisine. Goulash, a hearty stew of beef, vegetables, red onions, and spices, draws its flavor from the use of paprika and slow-cooked beef shin or other deeply flavorful cuts of meat. Number 7. Wiener Schnitzel, Austria. Despite having Italian origins, this straightforward meal of pounded veal cutlets that is breaded and briefly fried is Austria's cuisine ambassador since it is prepared with the freshest ingredients and served fresh. With potato salad, Austrians frequently eat Wiener Schnitzel topped with parsley and lemon slices. Since 1873, the Vienna tradition Café Landmann has served up a genuine rendition of the dish along with a dash of glitz and history. Notable customers have included Sigmund Freud, Marlene Dietrich, and Paul McCartney. Number 8. Pot-au-feu, France. The hearty, fragrant dish of stewing meat, root vegetables, and spices is known as pot-au-feu, pot in the fire. Originally a rustic cuisine that was simmered continuously all winter and filled up as needed. The broth is often sieved and served apart from the meat by the cook. Number 9. Roast beef and Yorkshire pudding, England. This meal continues to be a beloved Sunday lunch staple and a representation of England despite its increasingly international cuisine. Yorkshire, or batter, puddings were originally fillers before the main meal for people who could not afford much beef. They were named for the eponymous county in England. Today, the two are typically consumed combined with roast potatoes drenched in gravy, veggies, and horseradish sauce. Number 10. Irish stew, Ireland. Irish stew has evolved from its traditional form of a thick broth of slow-boiled mutton with onions, potatoes, and parsley to include other vegetables like carrots, and many cooks now brown the mutton first. It is a standard dish at all Irish bars. Shebeen Chic, located on George's Street, is one restaurant in Dublin where you may eat traditional food such as Irish stew. That's it for today. Smash the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos and hit the notification bell for more updates. See you all in the next video.